Hello, my name is Benjamin Bell, and I'm a design engineer at Intelliprop. Today I'm here to demonstrate the Intelliprop SATA bridge. The bridge is a great demonstration of the proper functioning of both the device and host cores from Intelliprop. These cores work in multiple FPGA families from Altera and Xilinx, including the Aria 2, Stratix 4, Virtex 5, and Spartan 6.
For the Xilinx portion of this demonstration, we will be using an ML507 development board, a Xilinx programmer, a SATA drive, 2 SATA cables, one regular, one crossover, a power supply, and a host PC. For the initial Xilinx setup, please plug in the Xilinx programmer into the JTAG socket on the FPGA development board. Once this has been done, please plug in the SATA crossover cable into the top socket on the development board. From here, we can plug in the SATA regular cable into the bottom socket on the development board. Once the SATA cables have been plugged in, we can now plug in the power to the development board, but make sure the switch on the development board is in the off position.
Once we have the ML507 connections done, we can then move on to the SATA drive. We first hook in the power into the SATA drive. Then we take the regular SATA cable and hook that into the SATA drive. From here, we can take the crossover cable and hook that into the host PC.
Now we can turn on our FPGA development board along with powering up our power supply for our drive. Once this has been done, we can go into the Xilinx program Impact. Impact will help us program our FPGA. To do this, we will first click the Initialize Scan Chain button on the top toolbar. We can bypass all components but the FPGA. When we get to the FPGA screen, we should find the bit file that is included as part of this demonstration. We can now right-click on the FPGA and select Program. Once the FPGA has been programmed, we can then close out Impact. If our SATA drive has been previously formatted, we should be able to see it when we open up My Computer. If not, you'll have to go into Disk Management to format the drive. Once the FPGA has been programmed, you can now use the center button to reset the FPGA. Also, LED 0 shows that the host PC and the development board have gotten to PHY ready. LED 1 shows that the SATA drive and the development board have gone to PHY ready. If there are any problems getting to PHY ready, please look at the switch settings on the board and compare them to the documentation.
Now we will play the HD video from the SATA drive through our FPGA development board to the host computer. As you see, it's playing now, but if I disconnect the SATA cable from the SATA drive, the video stops. So now that you've seen the Intelliprop SATA bridge setup, you too can now do this demo. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@intelliprop.com. We hope to talk to you soon.